Can you guess these new idioms? You think you've mastered English idioms? Let's level up. In today's Gamified Challenge, we've got brand new idioms you didn't hear the last time. Can you keep up? Let's find out. Welcome to Learn English with Mandla. Let's get on straight away to round one. This is a multiple choice quiz. Question 1. Which idiom means to face the consequences of your action? A. Bite the bullet. B. Let the cat out of the bag. C. Face the music. D. Barking up the wrong tree. Again, which idiom means to face the consequences of your actions? That's right, it's C. Face the music. What does this mean? To face the music means to accept the result of something you've done, usually something negative. So when would you use it? You would use this type of idiom when someone must deal with the outcome of a mistake, a decision, or responsibility. For example, after skipping work for 2 days, she had to face the music with her boss. How about question 2? Which idiom means to reveal something unintentionally? A. Hit the nail on the head. B. Spill the tea. C. Bark up the wrong tree. D. Let the cat out of the bag. Which idiom means to reveal something unintentionally? That's right, it's D. Let the cat out of the bag. To let the cat out of the bag means to reveal a secret, often by accident. When would you use this idiom? You use it when someone unintentionally shares a secret or confidential information. For example, he let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party before it even started. Great, let's move on to round 2, and this time it's role-playing dialogue. So this is our first dialogue. Listen carefully and spot the idioms here. We're behind schedule. We need to get this project done. I know, but don't worry. Let's not throw in the towel just yet. So 2 idioms used here: behind schedule, which means running late. Second, throw in the towel, which means give up. When would you use this? To throw in the towel, this when someone feels like quitting, but you want to encourage them to keep going. For example, she almost threw in the towel after 3 failed exams, but kept studying. Let's move on to dialogue 2. We finally got the approval. Time to go all out. Yes, let's pull out all the stops for this launch. Did you identify the 2 idioms here? I hope so. 1, go all out, which means give 100% effort. Second, pull out all the stops, which means use all resources or do everything possible. When would you use these idioms? You use them when you are planning something big like a party, presentation, or event that deserves your full energy. For example, they pulled out all the stops for their wedding ceremony. Great. Round 3. This is a rapid fire challenge. So you need to be quick. So I have a question and I will give you an answer. So you need to come up with an answer as quick as possible. Rapid fire. Ready? What idiom means very expensive? That's right. Cost an arm and a leg. That holiday cost an arm and a leg. So when would you use it? Well, you say this when talking about something shockingly overpriced or luxurious. Ready? Quick, quick, quick. Question 2. Which idioms means to take a risky chance? That's right, take a leap of faith. He took a leap of faith and moved to another country for work. So when would you use this type of idiom? This is perfect for like a life-changing decisions or moments that require trust and courage without knowing the outcome. Now we are on round 4. This is fill in the blank. Okay, so number 1. Even though she was nervous, she decided to and audition. What idiom fits here? Even though she was nervous, she decided to bite the bullet and audition. This means to endure something unpleasant or take action bravely. You would use it when someone pushes through fear or discomfort and takes the needed action. For example, I hate going to the dentist, but I had to bite the bullet. Sentence 2. When he forgot the presentation, his boss told him to... That's right. When he forgot the presentation, his boss told him to face the music. You use it when someone must deal with the negative consequence of their action. For example, missing the meeting meant he had to face the music on Monday. Those are all our new idioms for today. So, these are the idioms that we covered. Face the music, let the cat out of the bag, throw in the towel, pull out all stops, go all out, bite the bullet, cost an arm and a leg, take a leap of faith. If this helped, smash the like, share with your friends, subscribe for more fun lessons every week. Now, do you want part 3 of this idiom quiz? Comment on your favorite idiom below. Remember to keep practicing. And by the way, which one was the easiest for you? Thank you for watching.